Good morning student. We will teach you about the nutrition in human beings. Today I will teach you about the digestive glands. These glands are three types which are found in human beings. First is salivary gland, second is liver and third is pancreas. These glands secrete something and some enzymes which are involved in the process of digestion. And digestion means digestion of food. So, firstly you see the salivary gland. It is three pairs of salivary glands are found in buccal cavity. Buccal cavity, in previous classes we have studied about after mouth buccal cavity is present. So, in buccal cavity three pairs of these salivary glands are found in human beings. First is parotid gland. It is situated beneath the ear. Second is submaxillary gland which is situated lower jaws, under the lower jaws, and third is sublingual glands which is situated beneath the tongue. These three glands are salivary glands and which secretes the saliva in the mouth. This saliva involved in the digestion of the food. Saliva wetted the food when you take the food in mouth, and then this with the help of saliva the food is easily digested in the body. So, second is liver. Liver is the also digestive gland and it is the largest gland of the body and it is present below the diaphragm. Then diaphragm right side in abdominal cavity. It is the abdominal cavity or right side. It is the right side, there is liver is present, and this liver dark reddish brown in color and it consists of gall bladder. So, here it is the structure of the liver. It is the largest gland and this liver had the two lobes, and this lobe is right lobe and left lobe. It is seen in the figure. Right lobe of liver is again divided in three parts. It is the proper, right lobe proper, and caudate and quadrate. It is seen in the figure. It is divided in quadrate lobe and then quadrate lobe. This part is called quadrate and this part is small in size and it is called the caudate lobe. And second part is the left lobe of liver. It is seen here. Then in this liver you can see gall bladder. It is the pear shaped gall bladder and it is the pouch which stores the bile, and this bile is secreted by the liver cells. In liver cells these biles are formed and then secreted to the gallbladder, and this gallbladder store the bile juice. This bile juice go to the digestive organs and they there help in the process of digestion. So, third is the pancreas. It is the third digestive glands which play very important role in the digestion. It is soft lip shaped pinkish gland. It is seen in the figure, and in between the duodenum, in between the stomach and small intestine, this pancreas is present. It is leaf like structure which are seen in the figure and it consists of two parts. First part is head, it is here which is attached to the duodenum. This part is called the duodenum. It is the part of small intestine. In previous classes we have studied about the small intestine part, duodenum, jejunum and ileum. So, this pancreas is attached to the duodenum, and This pancreas have two parts, tail and head. This pancreas also called mixed gland because it consists of two parts, exocrine part and endocrine part. It means it secretes by the exocrine part pancreatic juice which going to the duodenum and involved in the process of digestion. And second part is the endocrine part which consists of islets of Langerhans. It is known as islets of Langerhans which secrete the hormone which are the glucagon and insulin, which are all of you should know about the glucagon and insulin. These hormones are secreted by also pancreas. So, pancreas is called the mixed gland because it consists of exocrine and endocrine part and it secretes the enzyme and hormones both. After this, in this pancreas, the duct is attached here. It is the gallbladder. In gallbladder, when bile is come from the liver, then it is come to the hepatic duct which are come from the liver, and then hepatic duct to going to gallbladder, then bile come to the common bile duct, and then it is going to the duodenum. So, in duodenum bile and also pancreatic juice is secreted, and these juices and enzymes are involved in the process of digestion. So, it is the structure of pancreas. Here these are the glands which are present in the human being. ये तीन glands हैं जो कि human beings में present है. Digestive gland, first is salivary gland. Is salivary gland, three pair of salivary glands are present in human. First is parotid gland which is situated beneath the ear, and second is submaxillary which is situated beneath the jaw, and sublingual which is beneath the tongue. And these glands, salivary glands, secrete the saliva. Also all of you have studied and have learned about this saliva. This saliva is secreted in mouth. There is glands are present, and these saliva have so many importance for purpose to kill the many germs, bacteria, and so many involvement in the digestion. It consists of enzyme which are involved in the digestion. Then second is liver. Liver is the largest gland and it is the present below the diaphragm, right side of the abdominal cavity, or it is the dark reddish brown in color, or it secretes the liver consists of made up of hepatic cells. Livers are made up of hepatic cells which form the bile which secreted in the gallbladder, and gallbladder store the bile, and then bile is secreted to the duodenum. In duodenum this bile involved in the process of digestion. So, next thing is the pancreas. It is the leaf-like structure and it is present in between the stomach and small intestine, and it consists of two parts, tail and head. And also pancreas is the mixed gland. It consists of exocrine part and endocrine part. Exocrine part secreted pancreatic juice and endocrine part secreted hormones. Pancreatic juice involved in the process of digestion, while in case of hormone it regulates and maintains the so many biological processes which are present in our body. It means in human body. So, I will teach you in next topic about the process of digestion.